I hope everyone is safe. Yeah, so for today's vlog, I will be going to discuss or help you what are the tips to win a Filipina's heart. Stay tuned. Since I'm a Filipina, I know how you can make a Filipina fall in love with you. Our female counterparts are like roses. They are very sweet, looking and endearing at first glance. But be careful, you might hurt her by her thorns and disless if you're going to provoke her. So what are those tips to win the Filipina's heart? So here are the few pointers for a foreigners seeking to win a Filipina's heart. Number 1, be a gentleman. If you want her to make like you, you must be a gentleman. Number 2, be nice to her family or love her family. We Filipinos are very much family-oriented. We sacrifice a lot of our dreams for the betterment of our families. Filipinas are the most loving when it comes to families. She is willing to leave everything behind her own countries so that her clan may experience the good things of life through her assistance. Close family bands are a common occurrence in the Philippines. As a matter of fact, family may very well the most important thing for a Filipino. So guys, be nice to her family, love her family as you love your girlfriend or your partner. That is the most important thing here in the Philippines. The tip number 3 to win the Filipina's heart is treat her as your equal. I know that women are usually considered weaker than men. The fact that you are coming from the West doesn't make you feel better than anyone there. We Filipina or girl deserve to be treated as your equal. Here are the number 4 tips to win the heart of a Filipina. Some men think that Filipina women are only after their money. While this is true in several cases, it should not become a generalization. Why? It is because, let's just say, in the world, there are bad, good Filipinas. It's just equal. There are also bad foreigners and there are also good foreigners. Tip number 5 to win a Filipina heart. Try to speak her language also. She may be good in English, but she will be very much appreciated if you can express your affection in her native tongue. I advise you to learn her local tongue or her national language. Tip number 6 to win the heart of a Filipina. If you know that she's right, don't try to argue. It will make the things worse. Foreigners with a lot of airy attitude in them, it will be dumped with the Filipinas if they don't accept their wrongdoing. If you know already that she is right, then don't try to argue. We girls are very sensitive in small things. So guys, if you know that she was right, just please don't try to argue. Tip number 7 to win the Filipina heart. Be courteous. We have a long tradition of burdensome and exhausting courtship rituals just to get the hands of Filipinas in marriage. Just be kind and generous. You don't need to have an expensive cars or you need to treat her in an extravagant restaurant. You're simply showing your sincere affection is more than enough for her. Tip number 8 to win the Filipina heart. Hand her the finances. This will be difficult for most foreigners who are frugal. But believe me, the Filipina is very good accountant. she can use a very little finance to make both ends meet. Tip number 9 to win the heart of a Filipina. Show to her that you're thinking about her. Filipino women appreciate gestures, may they big or small. Just show to your partner or your loved ones care and love. I'm pretty sure she will appreciate that. The last tip to win the heart of a Filipina is be yourself. Honesty, like respect, is very important for Filipinas. You should never try to change the person because you are going to woo her. The most important thing is just be yourself, be honest, respect her tradition and culture, and that is more than enough. So guys, these are just a few some advices to win the heart of a Filipina, and I hope this advice or tips will help you if you're looking or seeking a good Filipina in the Philippines. And yeah, if you know some tips to win the heart of a Filipina, feel free to comment down below and we will discuss that for the next video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the button, like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification for you to be able to updated when my new videos comes out. See you next time, guys. Thank you.